Tube fabrication is a process of shaping, cutting, and bending metal tubes into custom shapes and sizes for various applications across a range of industries. Common materials used in tube fabrication include metals such as steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, and titanium. Once a material is selected, there are several processes for the metal to go through before the product is finished. These include cutting, shaping, welding, finishing, and quality control. Some limitations of the fabrication process can include the need for specialist equipment, materials, and skilled labor. These problems are overcome using advanced machinery and automation technologies to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize material waste. The benefits are that tube fabrication enables customization and tailor-made solutions. Tube fabrication also allows for efficient material utilization and lightweight designs, contributing to cost savings, fuel efficiency, and reduced environmental impact. Tube fabrication is used across a variety of industries, including the automotive, aerospace, medical, manufacturing, marine, food and beverage, furniture, agricultural, and sporting industries. It has also been used in many artistic installations. At Global Tube Fabrications, we work alongside lots of incredible local, national, and international companies to cater to their personalized and unique requirements.